Hello and welcome class 9 chapter 12 Heron's formula. Today we learn about Heron's formula. What is Heron's formula? First we discuss about the introduction of Heron's formula. What is Heron's formula? Who gives the Heron's formula? Okay. Next slide. The introduction of Heron's formula. The formula given by Heron about the area of triangle is also known as Heron's formula. This formula we known as a Heron's formula. Okay. As per the Heron's, area of the triangle is under root s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, where a, b, c are the sides of the triangle. A, b, c are sides of the given triangle, and S is the semi-perimeter, the sum of all three sides by 2, A plus B plus C by 2. Okay. This formula is helpful where it's not possible to find the height of the triangle easily, where we use Heron's formula. If we are given right angle triangle, so we get the basic formula of area of triangle is 1 by 2 base into height. If we are given base and height, we use this formula 1 by 2 into base into height. Okay. Let's start question number 1, exercise 12.1. A traffic signal board indicating the school ahead is an equilateral triangle with side A. Find the area of the signal board using Heron's formula. If its perimeter is 180 cm, what will be the area of the signal board? In this question, we are given a signal board in the shape of equilateral triangle with side A. Solve करते हैं इस क्वेश्चन को. Length of the side of the equilateral triangle is given already A. So the sides of equilateral triangle is A, and perimeter of the signal board given 180 cm. So we know that the perimeter of equilateral triangle is A plus A plus A. We get 3A. So we can, the perimeter of equilateral triangle is 3A is equal to 180 cm. The one side of equilateral triangle, we divided 180 by 3, we get the length of sides A is 60 cm, and the semi perimeter of the signal board is 3A by 2. We can write it 180, the perimeter of triangle, divided by 2. We get the value of S is 90 cm. Okay, and we put the value of S and A and B and C in this formula, and using Heron's formula we calculate this. We get root 3 by 4 into 60 and 60, we get 900 by root 3 centimeter square, the area of the signal board. Okay, we can solve this question with another method. Second method is, we are given equilateral triangle, so we can the sides of triangle A बराबर B and C is equal to 60, and value of S we already find out 90 centimeter, and value of S minus A is 90 minus sides of A 60 बराबर 30 centimeter. Similarly, S minus B is equal to 90 minus 60 is equal to 30 centimeter, and S minus C is equal to 90 minus 60 30 centimeter. ठीक. Okay, we put the value S and S minus A, S minus B and S minus C in the formula of Heron's formula. So we put the value as S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So we can write the value of S 90 into value of S minus A 30, S minus B 30, S minus C 30. Okay, and we calculate this and we get 3 into 4 time multiplication of 30. We get 4 time multiplication of 30 in under root. Further solving, we get the pair of 30. We can 30 into 30 into root 3. We get 30 into 20, 900 root 3 centimeter square. This is second method to solving this question. Okay, we get the area of the signal board is 900 and root 3 centimeter square. Now we solve question number 2. The triangular side walls of a flyover have been used for advertisement. The sides of the walls are 122 meter, 22 meter and 120 meter. The advertisement held an earning of 5,000 per meter square per year. A company hired one of its walls for 3 months. How much rent did it pay? दिया हुआ है कोई ट्राइंगुलर फ्लाईओवर दिया हुआ है, तो कोई कंपनी एडवर्टाइजमेंट के लिए उसे रेंट पे लेती है और जो ट्राइंगुलर शेप में जो वॉल्स है उसकी लेंथ दी हुई है 122 मीटर, 22 मीटर एंड 120 मीटर. तो हमें निकालना है, फाइंड आउट करना है कि कंपनी कितना पे करेगी 3 महीने के लिए. ओके, तो सॉल्व द क्वेश्चन. फर्स्ट वी आर गिवन द साइड्स ऑफ ट्राइंगल्स आर 122, 22 and 120 meter. We are given 122, 22 and 122 meter. Okay. First perimeter of the triangle is 264 meter. 264 meter. Now we can write S is equal to 132 meter. The semi perimeter of the triangle, the walls is 132 meter. Using Heron's formula, area of the advertisement, we put the value of S, A, B and C. Putting the value of S and A and B and C, we calculate the value of S 132, 132 minus 122, 132 minus 22 and 132 minus 120 meter square. Further solving, we get 132 into 10 into 110 into 12. We can write it 1320 meter square, the area of the advertisement walls. Now we find the rent. Did it pay the rent of the advertisement per year 5,000 rupees per meter square per year given per year. We calculate the rent for 3 months. We get 1320 into 5,000 into 3 by 12. We get the result is 16,50,000 rupees. The rent will be paid by the company for this triangular wall. Okay. Now question number 4. Find the area of a triangle, two sides of which are 18 centimeter, 10 centimeter and the perimeter is 42 centimeter. In this question, we are given a triangle with two sides 18 centimeter, 10 centimeter and given its perimeter. So we solve this question. Two sides of the triangle is 18 centimeter and 10 centimeter. 18 centimeter and 10 centimeter. What will be the length of AC? Length of AC. So perimeter of the triangle given 42 centimeter. The third side, the length of third side is 42 minus sum of two sides 80 plus 10. So we get the length of third side is 14 centimeter. 14 centimeter. The length of AC is 14 centimeter. 14 centimeter. Okay. And the semi perimeter of triangle, we are given perimeter, we divide by 2 and we get S value of S semi perimeter is 21 centimeter. As per the area of the triangle Heron's formula, under root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. We put the value of S, A, B and C. We get 21 into 21 minus 18 into 21 minus 10 into 21 minus 14. We get 21 into 3 into 11 into 7. Further solving, we get the result is 21 under root 11 centimeter square, semi square, the area of the triangle. Okay. The next question is, there is a slide in a park. One of its side walls has been painted in some colors with a message. The message is, keep the park green and clean. If the sides of the wall are 15 meter, 11 meter, 6 meter, find the area painted in the color. हमें किसी पार्क में एक स्लाइड दी हुई है और वो स्लाइड पेंटेड है और उस पर लिखा हुआ है कीप द पार्क ग्रीन एंड क्लीन, पार्क को हरा भरा रखें और साफ रखें। ठीक है, ये मैसेज दिया हुआ है और उस स्लाइड्स की साइड्स की लेंथ दी हुई है 15 मीटर, 11 मीटर एंड 6 मीटर। तो अब हमें इसका एरिया निकालना है इस स्लाइड का। तो फर्स्ट, दी स्लाइड्स ऑफ द ट्राइंगल वॉल आर A equal to 15 centimeter, B equal to 11 meter and C equal to 6 meter. The sides of walls are 15 meter, 11 meter and 6 meter. So A is equal to 15 meter, B is equal to 11 meter, C is equal to 6 meter. Now we find the value of semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter of triangular wall S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. We put the value of ABC 15 plus 11 plus 6 by 2, we get 16 meter. As per the Heron formula, area of the message या triangular wall या triangular wall, triangular area of triangular wall, under root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. We put the value of S, S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. We get under root 16 into 1 into 5 into 10 meter square is equal to under root 800 meter square. 800 meter square, 800 meter square. We write its factor. We factorize it 800. So 2 into, we can write 2 into 20 into 20. Here the pair of 20, we can the perfect square, the 20 and root of 20 meter square, the area of the slide of the park. Okay. Next question. Sides of a triangular are in the ratio of 12, ratio 17 and ratio of 25, and its perimeter is 400, 550 centimeter. The perimeter of the sides of triangle is 540 centimeter. Find its area. In this question we are given the a triangle and the ratio of its sides 12 and 70 and 25, and also given perimeter is 540 centimeter. Find its area. तो सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन, चलो सॉल्व करते हैं इस क्वेश्चन को। हमें ट्राइंगल दिया हुआ है ए बी सी, ये ट्राइंगल दिया हुआ है ए बी सी। द लेंथ ऑफ ए बी, बी सी एंड ए सी is given in ratio. So the ratio of the sides of triangle is 12, 70 and 25. Let the common ratio be x, then sides are 12x, 17x and 25x. So length of AB we can write 12x, 25x and 17x. Okay, and given perimeter of the triangle is 540 centimeter, and we solve 12x plus 17x plus 25x is equal to 544 centimeter. 54x is equal to 540 centimeter. X is equal to the value of x is 10. We put the value of x in the 12x, 17x or 25x. We put the value of x, we get the length of AB is 120 centimeter, length of side BC is 170 centimeter, and sides of AC, length of sides of AC is 250 centimeter. Semi perimeter of the triangle is 400, 500, 4,